Alright, so this is problem 6-115 from your chapter 6 review, and this is letter A. I did letter B on the video, so I'm just going to show you the work for letter A. So here you have the 3, and you need to first distribute it to everything inside of the parentheses. That's what the arrows mean. So the first thing that you want to do is get rid of these parentheses. So you do 3 times 2, which is right here, and 3 times x, which is right here. Next, you want to distribute this minus outside of the parentheses to everything inside of the parentheses. So there's two things inside, the x and then the minus 2. So the opposite of x is negative x, and the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. Okay? Now you know that 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times x is just 3x. Over here, the 4, just bring it down, minus x plus 2. Nothing changes. Now, this is something right here, from here now, that you should be able to do. Okay, you first begin by combining your terms that are alike. Okay, so you have your 4 and your 2, which gives you 6. Okay, and then 6 plus 3x, you don't do anything. 4 plus 2 is 6, and then you have minus x, so 6 minus x. The next thing you want to do is leave the x's on one side. Since the biggest number of x's is on this side, you want to get rid of this x over here. So the inverse of subtracting x is adding x, and if you add it to this side, you also have to add it to this side. Okay, so then we go ahead and add x to both sides. 6, we can't do 6 plus x because they're not terms that are alike. So just bring that down. And then 3x plus x is 4x. The 6 again, bring it down. Minus x plus a positive x cancels out. Okay. Now I'm left with 6 plus 4x equals 6. Now remember, you want to leave your x's by themselves. So the x's are over here. There's a 6 on this side, so we want to basically remove it. So if I subtract 6, I'm going to subtract 6 to the other side, and now I'm left with 6 minus 6, which is 0. You don't need to write it down. 4x, bring it down, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Now here I do write it down, that way you could see that your last equation is 4x equals 0. Well, to get rid of this 4 in front of the x, you need to divide by 4 to both sides. 4 divided by 4 is just 1, okay? And let me actually draw that there. And 1x equals 0 divided by 4. Well, 0 divided by 4 is just going to be 0. So your final answer is x equals 0.